Hello children, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson. I can take care of myself from the unit 7 and the theme of the unit is women empowerment. Our today's theme is women empowerment. What does it mean children? Women are capable to handle any situation and they have power within. Nowadays, women are fulfilling their roles in all fields successfully. So great, no? Observe this picture, children. Many successful women belongs to different fields. Some of them overcome many obstacles in reaching their goal. Very inspiring, ladies. In our previous lesson, Bonsai Life, we have learned that an employed woman protects not only herself but also her family. Let us move to our today's lesson. I can take care of myself. It's very interesting to learn. See these pictures, children. Once there lived a mother rat and she thought of her young daughter's marriage. She wanted the most powerful creature on this earth to be her son in law. She thought of the sun god, the rain god, the mountain, and earthworm. Each said, with a smile, there are greater creatures than them. Just then, the daughter rat came there. Mother rat told her that she was looking for the most powerful creature. She wanted her daughter to be happy and safe in such a creature's hand. But daughter rat clarified that she wanted to take care of herself. The best protection should come from oneself. The most powerful are those who can protect themselves. The richest are those who are rich in love. She doesn't want to depend on others' position, prosperity, and power. She wants to stand on her own feet. She wants to support all those she loves. For that, she needs to know the world. Whether her mother accepted to this proposal or not, let us see in the lesson. Before starting our lesson, we shall see the meanings of some difficult words. Glossary. Protection. Safety from dangers. Creatures. Living beings. Withstands. Be able to remain unarmed in extreme conditions. Prosperity. Progress or development. Target. Goal or aim. Children, it's time to start reading the text part. Listen carefully and observe the pronunciation. Once upon a time, there was a mother rat who wanted to get her young daughter married as soon as possible to the most powerful being that she could find. Who is the most powerful being on the earth? She asked herself. She saw the bright sun god traveling across the sky and thought, surely all beings depend on the sun. The sun god is the most powerful being on this earth. She asked Sun God, "Are you the most powerful being on this earth?" He smiled. "No, there is someone greater than me to help the creatures. It is the rain. Without the rain, no crop or tree would grow. There would be no water on earth." Just then it began to rain. She thought, "How wonderful the rain is! It makes the whole land green. It makes the rivers flow. Surely, the rain god is the most powerful being on this earth." She asked the rain god, "Are you the most powerful being on the earth?" He smiled. "No, there is someone greater than me to help the creatures. It is the mountain. Without the mountain, there would be no protection for the creatures on this earth. The mountain blocks the clouds and lets the water flow safely for the people and all life in the valleys." She looked around and saw the beautiful blue mountain. She thought, "How big and strong the mountain is! It withstands all winds and storms. It protects the earth and its creatures. Surely, the mountain god is the most powerful being on this earth." She asked the mountain god, "Are you the most powerful being on this earth?" He smiled. "No, there is someone greater than me to help the creatures. It is the worm. Without the worm, the earth would be hard and nothing would grow on the soil. The earthworm is the greatest friend that living being can have." Just then, she saw her daughter coming towards her. She asked her mother, "What are you doing?" "I am trying to find out who is the most powerful being on earth is," said the mother. "Why?" asked the daughter. "I want you to marry him and be safe," said the mother. "Why would I need to marry to be safe?" asked the daughter. "To be safe, I need to know how to take care of myself." "You are small, you need protection," said the mother rat. "The best protection is to be able to protect oneself," said the daughter. "To protect myself, I need to learn to be strong and work hard." "But why would you need to work? If you marry someone rich and powerful, he will support you," said the mother rat. "Who is rich and powerful, Amma?" asked the daughter. "The truly powerful being is one who can take care of oneself and those she loves. One is truly rich if one is rich in love. I want to be powerful myself so that I can take care of myself and those that I love." The mother rat was confused. "What will you do?" she asked. "I will learn to stand on my feet. I will work. I will find work to do that supports me and my family. For that, I need to learn more about the world and learn to live in it as a good creature. Let me first learn to take care of myself." "But don't you need help?" asked the mother rat. "Yes, from you, Amma," said the daughter. "Help me support myself. I'm not interested in marrying anybody, rich or powerful. Depending on another person's power, position, or prosperity does not promise peace and security in the long run. One has to depend on the power within oneself to seek the target in one's life." Children, let us do some language work in vocabulary part. Antonyms. What are antonyms? Opposite meaning of the given word. Here, I have taken some sentences from the lesson. I can take care of myself. See here. The first one. Surely all beings depend on sun. She thought. Here, the underlined word is depend and its opposite is independent. Okay. The second one. She thought how big and strong the mountain is. Here, the underlined words are big and strong, and opposites of these two words are small and weak. The third one, I want to be powerful myself so that I can take care of myself and those that I love. Here, the opposite of love is hate. Children, hope you understood the lesson. So, we shall enter into comprehension part, that is question and answers. See the first question, children. Why did Mother Rat think the sun is the most powerful being? The answer is Mother Rat thought that the sun is the most powerful being because all beings depend on the sun. Okay, children? See the second one. How does a mountain help the reaching water to people safely? The answer is mountains helps in reaching water to people safely by blocking the clouds. See the third question, children. What do you think is the most important thing to learn to live well? The answer is the most important thing to learn to live well is to be able to take care of oneself. Fourth question. What are the skills or qualities that would help you to be independent in your life? Answer is we need some skills to be independent in life. They are hard work, love for others, ability to protect ourselves, etc. See the fifth question, children. Do you agree with the daughter rat? Give reasons to your answer. The answer is yes, I agree with the daughter rat. Her opinion shows her nature. She wants to work hard, stand on her own feet, and she wants to be powerful. All these are great qualities. Hence, I agree with the daughter rat. Okay, children, hope you understood the lesson. We shall meet again in our next session. Thank you.